tell you I love you more. It's stuck with you forever, so promise you won't let it go. I'll trust that you